Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Edge for the Ultra. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both smartphones and type in Send Anywhere in the search bars. Then install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, if you wish to use your app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Motorola over here and send on your Android. After that, you need to click on all of those type of dots, and when you're ready, select send. This way you will choose all of those files that you clicked on and send them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one. Click on send and tap on got it. Now on Motorola, click on yes I agree or no thanks. Then select close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Motorola Edge, choosing while using the upper only this time, and then pointing our device's camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here instead and click on receive button. Now as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!